Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening a brokerage account now, not later. Pick one with low commissions, a solid app, and SIPC insurance. That reduces execution risk. Once you create your profile, verify identity and link your bank so transfers clear faster. Fund the account with the amount you intend to invest or set an automatic weekly transfer for dollar cost averaging. This stabilizes by timing. Make sure you select taxable versus IRA depending on your tax goals, because that choice affects future withdrawals and reporting. Now you research and set the order. Look up Apple Live Quote, recent earnings, P/E, revenue trends, and dividend yield so you understand valuation. Decide how many shares or dollar amount to buy and choose your order type. Mark it for immediate execution or limit to control price. Consider stop limit to cap losses. Once you place a limit, monitor partial fills and adjust if needed. Also set order duration, day or GTC, because that determines whether your limit persists beyond today. Execute the trade and confirm it filled at your intended price. You'll see an order confirmation showing fills, fees, and total cost. Double-check immediately. Remember, stock settlement is T+2, so funds free up after 2 business days. Once the position appears, set price and news alerts and add it to your watch list. If something goes wrong, no fill or weird routing, contact broker support, capture screenshots, and retry with a limit order at a better price or smaller size to ensure execution.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.